At this juncture, are you ready to receive a very pragmatic, very energetic, very dependable Deputy Governor of Edo State? Edo people, make some noise as we make welcome Comrade Philip Shaibu, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, the best Deputy Governor in the world. Let's have you, sir.
PDP! Rescue Nigeria! Your Excellency, my senior brother, the Governor of Edo State, our National Chairman and his wife, our Board of Trustee Chairman, my younger brother, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, my State Chairman, members of the National Assembly, members of the Edo State Assembly, members of the State Executive Council, and all party members. I greet all of you. Your Excellency, our National Chairman, Edo is for PDP and PDP is for Edo, only to the extent that our National Chairman solve the problems that we want him to solve in Edo State. Mr. Chairman, PDP was the ruling party before 2007. What led to the exit of PDP in Edo State for 12 years was when they started deregistering people. They started driving people and said they don't need membership. And that was how we took advantage. And our slogan then was to rescue Edo State and let the people lead. And that was how PDP was out for 12 years. Your Excellency, God knows that Edo has to change, and Edo must develop, and Edo must move forward. Without election, that's impunity. APC started that same impunity. They took it to another level, to the extent they disqualify our leader, the Governor of Edo State. And that was how our executive members, National Chairman, sir, party members, State Chairman, Ward Chairman, executives of all APC resigned and said, Governor, go to PDP. Not because Governor and I wanted to go to PDP. They, led by Aslam Ojezwa, said, go to PDP. We will follow you. We will resign. To their words, they resigned their membership and their executive position in APC and joined PDP. Is that not what happened? Is that what happened? So, sir, I join others that says that you are a good man. The governor and I in Edo, we celebrated when we heard that you have been adopted as a national chairman. The governor told me, he said, that man is not only cerebral, but he's a man of vision and is coming with a mission. That was how we celebrated you, sir. And we are still celebrating you, sir. And that is why the chairman said this rally was 48 hours. It was just yesterday afternoon we decided, let's welcome our chairman with a rally. Ordinarily, we wanted to welcome you at the airport and we'll go and discuss. But yesterday afternoon, we decided to welcome you with a rally. So this rally was around 3 o'clock, we started organizing it. Mr. Chairman, sir, people are saying the governor will not leave PDP. The governor will only remain in PDP when he sees his soldiers remaining in PDP. Two of us, if all of us, the way we are being treated now, decide to leave PDP, this governor will follow us. So if they say governor remain in PDP, to the extent that his soldiers are in PDP. Mr. Chairman, sir, we are angry and we need you to solve that problem. PDP, we get to the Abuja, not only getting to Abuja, will be the next president, only to the extent that we organize ourselves. These guys have no place for Nigeria. They have no place in Edo State. But If we continue with impunity, which I know you are not one of them, then there will be problem. But I pray, all of us, we are here praying, supporting our governor, supporting you, sir, to take that decision. Because Edo, sir, wherever Edo go, that is where Nigeria will go. Wherever Edo go, that is where Nigeria will go. Check history, sir. Check history. Check history, sir. Wherever Edo go, Nigeria will go. We said in Edo State, Edo no be Lagos. And truly, Edo was not Lagos. Edo moving forward means that Nigeria will move forward. Sir, we welcome you. We will support you, continue to pray for you. But sir, you have to help us solve the problem. Because when you solve the problem of Edo State, you have solved the problem of Nigeria. And PDP will be in Abuja come 2023. God bless all of you.
Edo people, make some noise! Bring it down! Bring it down!